13 reliable cars you can buy for under $5,000. Whoever told you that you can't find a reliable car for under $5,000 either doesn't know what they're talking about or is trying to sell you something overpriced. But guess what? They're wrong. There are plenty of cars that are affordable, shockingly reliable, low maintenance, and downright impressive for the price. In this video, we're breaking down the 13 best cars to buy when you're on a budget, starting with a classic that has stood the test of time and ending with an underrated gem that will blow your mind. So, stick around, because skipping this video could mean missing out on the deal of a lifetime. 13. In 2004-2005 Toyota RAV4 Small but Mighty. Kicking off our list is a car that almost everyone dreams of owning, the Toyota RAV4. Known for bulletproof reliability, the early 2000s models are still a fantastic choice for budget-conscious buyers. Engine: 2.4L inline-4. Horsepower: 160 HP. Torque: 162 pound-feet. Fuel economy: 23 mpg combined. The 2004-2005 RAV4 is part of the celebrated second generation, which introduced better safety features, improved build quality, and a more refined ride. It's compact, yet surprisingly spacious, making it a great option for city driving or light off-roading. But the real shocker? You can still find one for under $5,000. And with many owners reporting well over 300,000 miles on the odometer, it's a safe, practical, and long-lasting choice. 12. Of 2003-2005 Honda Element, the ultimate adventure vehicle. The Honda Element was part of a trend in the early 2000s where boxy, quirky designs took over the market. But this wasn't just about looks, the Element was built for practicality. Engine: 2.4 LK24 inline-4, known for extreme durability. Transmission: 4-speed automatic or 5-speed manual. Drivetrain: AWD available. What makes the Honda Element so special? Ample cargo space. The rear seats fold flat, and if you remove the front headrests, you can convert the interior into a sleeping area for road trips. Legendary engine reliability. The K24 engine can easily exceed 400,000 miles with regular maintenance. The only downside? Fuel economy is just 19 mpg city, 23 mpg highway. But if you want an affordable, practical, and versatile vehicle, the Element is a no-brainer. 11. In 2003-2006 Toyota Matrix, the hatchback that never dies. Next up, we have a car that was so good, Toyota had to discontinue it, the Toyota Matrix. Engine: 1.8L inline-4. Horsepower: 126 HP. Fuel economy: 25 mpg city, 31 mpg highway. Despite being a first-generation model, the Matrix had no major reliability issues, thanks to Toyota's excellent engineering. The hatchback design allows for tons of cargo space, and the rear seats fold completely flat, making it perfect for hauling gear, groceries, or even small furniture. One unique feature: the rear windshield opens separately from the hatch, which is super handy for quickly loading smaller items. If you find a 2006 Matrix for under $5,000, grab it. It's one of the most reliable budget cars ever built. 10. In 2002-2006 Lexus S330 affordable luxury. Being on a budget doesn't mean you have to give up luxury. The Lexus S330 is a refined, smooth-riding sedan that offers a premium feel without the premium price tag. Engine: 3.3 LV6 horsepower, 218 HP fuel economy, 21 mpg city, 29 mpg highway interior. Soft touch materials, leather seats, quiet cabin. Lexus is Toyota's luxury brand, so it inherits the same legendary reliability, meaning these sedans can easily surpass 500,000 miles. One thing to check before buying. Some models had dashboard cracking issues and mass airflow sensor problems, but these are minor fixes compared to how well the engine holds up. 9. In 2002-2006 Toyota Camry, the definition of dependable. Critics called the 5th generation Toyota Camry boring, but guess what? Boring lasts forever. Engine options: 2.4L inline-4, 3.0 LV6, 3.3 LV6. Horsepower: 160,225 HP. Transmission: manual or automatic. Fuel economy: 2430 mpg. The 4-cylinder version is the most reliable, easily reaching 400,000 plus miles. The V6 options are more powerful, but they consume more fuel and are slightly more expensive to maintain. A 2005-2007 Pontiac Vibe, a hidden gem. Surprise! The Pontiac Vibe is essentially a Toyota Matrix with a Pontiac badge. That means you get Toyota's legendary engineering at a lower price. Engine: 1.8L inline-4. Horsepower: 126 HP. Fuel economy: 30 mpg city, 36 mpg highway. If you want the durability of a Toyota but for less money, the Pontiac Vibe is your best bet. The only downside? The cabin can be noisy, but hey, just turn up the radio. 2006-2007 Honda Accord, one of the best cars ever built. Honda doesn't make them like this anymore. The 7th generation Accord was built to last forever and drive like a dream. Engine options: 2.4L inline-4 or 3.0 LV6. Horsepower: 160,244 HP. Fuel economy: 26 mpg city, 34 mpg highway, 4-cylinder. The V6 version is more fun to drive, but the 4-cylinder is nearly indestructible. J.D. Power rated the 2007 Accord's reliability at an 88 out of 100, which is higher than many brand new cars today. Final thoughts: don't overpay for reliability. People think that reliable cars have to be expensive, but this list proves otherwise. Whether you want a fuel-efficient hatchback, a comfortable sedan, or an adventure-ready SUV, there are plenty of budget-friendly cars that will last for years without draining your wallet. Which of these cars would you buy? Let us know in the comments. Kia's Moors. Subscribe now to learn more car buying secrets. See you in the next video.